In this clip, I'm going to show you how to create a video for YouTube.
After shooting your movie, you need to connect your camera to your computer and import the movie to your computer. To be able to do that, you need an application like the one I'm using right now, which is called iMovie. It's for the Macintosh. There are also other programs out there you can purchase for a Windows platform, like Adobe Premiere. So what I'll do next is just I'll go ahead and click on play to see the movie I shot. Okay, now the movie is playing, and this is the one I want to import, and I'll just click on import. And the movie is being imported into my computer's hard drive. So with this application also, I can edit the movie. I can put titles in it, transitions, effects. After doing all that, after importing it and everything, then I can upload it. So what I'll do now, I'm just gonna drag it to the editing timeline. Okay, now I can see the movie over here. The next step will be exporting it or saving my movie. So to do that, I'll just go to the main menu, File, then I'll click on Share. In many applications, it usually says Export. In this case, for iMovie, it says Share. So for this, I'll select QuickTime, and it says Compress Movie 4. I'll select Expert Settings, or usually it's called Advanced Settings in many applications like this. Then I'll click on Share, and it gives me more options over here. So what I want to do mainly is to trim the size of this movie, like the dimensions, because it's going to be for YouTube and I need a smaller size movie. So I'm just going to click on options, and size, or I already resized it actually to 320 by 240. If you click on this drop down menu, it shows you many different options. So I already selected 320 by 240. I'll click on OK, and OK again. I'll save this to my desktop and click on save. Now it's compressing the movie and saving it to my desktop. Then the next thing you need to do is just log into your YouTube account. If you don't have one, you can just create an account, and you click on upload, and you select the movie you saved on your hard drive earlier on, and upload the movie to YouTube. This is basically all you have to do to make a video for YouTube.